Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning ProRes on in Settings because the control lives there, and the camera app won't show it otherwise. Open Settings, go to Camera, then Formats and toggle Apple ProRes. This enables high bitrate capture. Once done, make sure your device has enough free space and battery since ProRes files are huge. 4K 10-bit can eat dozens of gigabytes. Also note why bitrate matters. Higher bitrate preserves more color and detail for editing later, so toggle only when you intend to grade. You next configure resolution and frame rate inside the camera app because ProRes options depend on those choices. Select Video, then tap the resolution control to pick 4K and choose 24, 30, or 60 FPS. 24/30 are easier on space and great for cinematic work, while 60 gives smooth motion for action. Once you select, confirm the ProRes badge is lit. Look for the orange ProRes label or red indicator. Finally, frame your shot and lock exposure to keep you finish by shooting with stability and monitoring your recording because ProRes rewards clean capture. Use a tripod or gimbal and keep exposure stable. After recording, export via Lightning, USB-C, or AirDrop to a Mac or external drive to preserve the ProRes original. Do not compress until you've finished color grading. If something goes wrong, like failed export or missing ProRes tag, make sure free space exists. Restart the camera app or phone, and toggle ProRes off then back on to reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.